Out of nowhere, a massive container truck lost balance while cruising down the road, tipping over dramatically and skidding across the pavement. Sparks flew everywhere as the trailer dragged along, leaving nearby drivers scrambling to swerve and avoid disaster. Chaos erupted as the road was left partially blocked, turning an ordinary day into a heart-pounding scene of unexpected mayhem. The red truck lost its brakes, speeding down a steep mountain slope in a heart-stopping moment. Luckily, the road was quiet and the driver quickly steered into the mountainside, bringing the truck to a safe stop. It's unfortunate for the damaged truck, but thankfully no major harm occurred. Let this serve as a reminder to always check your brakes before every journey for a safer trip. During the demolition process, a section of the building unexpectedly collapsed, striking a large crane and causing severe damage to its upper structure. The scene was startling, but fortunately no one was injured. It's truly unfortunate for the crane to be damaged, but let this serve as a gentle reminder. Always ensure a safe distance and thorough planning in all construction activities.
They're swapping them out, they're bringing in another claw. Top 4 stories.
A shocking scene unfolded as a massive crane at a bridge construction site suddenly lost balance and collapsed, crashing with a thunderous noise and engulfing the area in a cloud of dust. Fortunately, no one was injured in this frightening incident. Although it's truly unfortunate for the damaged crane, this serves as a reminder. Always prioritize safety checks and load limits when operating heavy machinery. At an intersection, a container truck suddenly lost control, hitting the side of a car in the same lane before crossing the junction. The truck tipped over, slid forcefully, crashed into a car waiting at the red light on the opposite side, and scraped several other vehicles. The scene was chaotic with debris and smoke. It's unfortunate, but this is a reminder. Always check brakes and drive cautiously. On a busy bridge, a blue car suddenly hit the side of the white car in front, causing it to flip over. Right behind, another car crashed into the flipped car, pushing it toward the bridge barrier. The scene was chaotic, but fortunately, there were no serious injuries. It's unfortunate for the damaged car, but this is a reminder. Always keep a safe distance and stay alert while driving, especially in busy areas. On December 19th, a serious accident occurred on Yangdi Avenue, Taiwan, during rush hour. A cement truck lost its brakes while going down a slope near Yangmingshan Elementary School, crashing into several vehicles. The collision left 9 injured and 4 dead. This tragedy is a shock, and our condolences go to the victims and their families. Always check your brakes and drive carefully, especially on steep roads, to prevent such accidents. In this video, we can witness firsthand the impressive chain reaction car accident caused by the vehicle itself. Hopefully, everyone is safe. This is a reminder about the importance of maintaining a safe distance and controlling speed while driving. Keeping a sufficient distance gives you time to react in emergencies and avoid accidents. Adjusting your speed according to road conditions and traffic is crucial for protecting your life and the safety of those around you.
Есть. Этот виноват.
Oh my god, it seems that the blue car ran the red light, which is absolutely wrong, and I really can't understand why they would drive like that. Following traffic signals and maintaining a safe speed is crucial to protect the lives and safety of everyone on the road. Most traffic accidents occur due to dangerous habits like speeding, lane cutting, reckless overtaking, or lack of attention while driving. Changing lanes without signaling or ignoring traffic signals is a common cause. Remember, 1 second of distraction can lead to serious consequences. Always follow traffic rules, maintain a safe distance, and stay alert while driving to protect yourself and others around you. The driver of the white car is doing something silly and foolish in their car. Why did they change lanes without looking behind? When the car in front suddenly changed lanes without checking the mirror, the car behind couldn't react in time and crashed into the back, turning both cars into an action-packed collision scene. But the story doesn't end there. The rear car flipped over and flew off the road like a runaway tire. Never change lanes without looking, or you might not only get flipped but also create some unwanted action scenes for others. Don't let the truck become your unexpected companion. Always follow traffic signals and maintain a safe distance to avoid such sudden collisions. No matter how tempting speed may be, always remember to maintain a safe distance to avoid unexpected situations and protect the lives of yourself and those around you. Surely both the car and the motorcycle didn't want to meet like this. An unexpected collision when both came towards each other at the same time. Surely, the black car couldn't see the truck in front, and as a result, the truck behind couldn't react in time and crashed into the front of the car. A cautionary situation about the loss of visibility on the road. Everything was calm until a car from the opposite side suddenly rushed through, crashing into a utility pole and bouncing into the car waiting at the red light. An unwanted collision. Oh, how is he driving like that? It's really hard to understand. The car behind tried to overtake to turn, but the gap was too small, resulting in a collision with the front car and flipping over. A badly executed turn. The black car sped like an arrow, but couldn't slow down in time when it saw the car in front crossing the road. The result was a heavy collision with the white car. Speed is not always the best companion. Oh my God, an unavoidable collision when we make a U-turn but fail to pay attention and check our surroundings. Don't let one moment of distraction destroy everything. Surely, the car behind didn't expect this, suddenly flipping over and skidding down the road like an action scene. Don't let speed get out of control. The consequences can be unimaginable. The car ran the red light as if there was nothing on the road, and the result was crashing into two cars ahead, a crazy and dangerous move. The car suddenly rushed forward, slamming into the rear of the white car. A dramatic collision. Unimaginable consequences if speed isn't controlled. Don't let haste cause you to lose control. Oh my God, an unexpected and dangerous collision. Remember, overtaking requires time and space. Don't let haste cost you dearly. Look at this, two cars battling for the road like they're in a race, but the bigger black car used its size to force the white car into the guardrail and flip it over. Don't let road rivalry lead to irreversible consequences. Oh my God, I just can't understand what's happening. If that were a sports car, it would be absolutely insane. The truck was loaded with goods stacked so high it made everyone watch in surprise and concern. It seemed like nothing could go wrong, but in the end, everything came crashing down. A tense moment until the last second, proving that sometimes there's a limit to what can be handled. When patience runs out, everything can turn chaotic in the blink of an eye. Don't let impatience be the cause of unnecessary accidents. The driver failed to observe and change lanes where it wasn't allowed, immediately paying the price as a container truck slammed into the rear. But it didn't stop there. The SUV was pushed into the next lane and hit by another container truck, forcing it forward. Everything was calm while stopped at the red light when suddenly the car behind rushed forward and slammed into the rear. An unexpected collision that left no time for anyone to react. Driving at high speed on the highway, the truck suddenly blew a tire, swerved for a moment, and then flipped over, lying on its belly in the middle of the road, a dramatic and unexpected sight.